Hi, it's Tuesday, January 16th, and our class has officially begun. This is Kim, and I just wanted to walk through a few things with you. You can keep asking me questions, and I can easily post these videos. But when you come to our course, you will either need to have purchased the access code to MyLabs Plus, or you can choose the temporary access choice, which will get you access for 14 days. Once you're in the class, where you want to start is Welcome and Orientation. Start here. It kind of just tells you how to get online tutoring requests and our schedule for the semester. And then what I want you to click is Unit 1. Unit 1 is what we cover for the first 5 weeks of class. I'm going to click Week 1 and 2. There's an overview with a video. And then I'm going to click Section 1.1. It will give you a video for the section. It will give you a link to the e-text, or you can use the paper text if you purchase that. And it will give you a link to the guided notebook pages. When I click on this, I'm able to click and print the guided notebook pages for what I need for to cover for my section. It's really nice if you print these out and then go through the e-text and fill them out. It'll give you an overview and you can 3-hole punch them. I believe this 38 pages is all of Chapter 1. Please note that we don't cover every single section in the book, so you might not need every page in the guided notebook for each section. Then you'll notice that you will get a link to homework, and you'll have to do the homework. And then this gives you a few more additional pieces of information. Our learning objectives for the week. It gives you some particular page numbers in the e-text to look. It gives you a few more videos to look at. Let's go to the homework set so you'll see how that works. You'll see this 1.1 homework. You'll see that it's due on the 21st. And you can click on it. You'll see that there are 21 questions. Let me just open question 10, for example. It asks me to find f of -2, and let's say I'm not sure what to do there. I can go over here and click question help. I can ask it to help me solve this exact problem. I can ask it to give me an example of how to solve this problem. I can go directly to the e-text that offers examples on this. I can ask my instructor, which sends me an email about this, or I can print it. These are your options you can use. That's under the question help button. You can enter and exit homework anytime you want and go back, and it will save your responses. You'll also notice there's TI calculator commands. You'll need to use the TI calculator, and I often will put things here that will help you with that. And then finally, under Unit 1, Week 1 and 2, oops. Let me go back to the main menu. Discussion board Unit 1. So you'll see there's a discussion question for Unit 1. There's a Week 1 question and a Week 2 question already posted, and you'll see when they're due. And you'll have to respond to that in order to answer it. Please keep the questions coming and let me know if I can help you. Have a great week.